Welcome friends. In our previous tutorial, we have studied which Eclipse version to download for which purpose and from where to download and how to download Eclipse. Now, we have successfully downloaded Eclipse for C and C++ developers, and here is the installation. So it is a compressed zip file. So first we have to decompress it. So just extract it, and we have our Eclipse folder here. Let's go there, and you can see eclipse.exe and rest of the files. So first let's rename this Eclipse to Eclipse CPP because we are configuring this Eclipse installation particularly for C and C++. If you are using Eclipse for any other language, you can do it that way, or you can leave it Eclipse itself. After renaming that, select it and drag it to the program files. It will ask you for the permission. Click on Continue. It will move our directory from downloads to the program file, and if we go to program file, we can find Eclipse CPP, which is this, and I will recommend you to create a shortcut of Eclipse IDE. So right click on the Eclipse and create a shortcut, and this is our Eclipse shortcut. Let's run this. It will take some time to load all the libraries of its. Next, it will ask for a workspace. I have created one folder under my D drive, and I have selected that as my workspace. I will recommend you to create one folder wherever location you want and select it as the workspace and click OK. Again, it will take some time to load all the libraries, and this is it. It says, "Welcome to the Eclipse IDE for C++ developers," and our preferences are selected as C and C++. So this is how we can install Eclipse, and from the very next tutorial we will be configuring our Eclipse installation for C and C++ development. Thank you.